Chitiyo, Ward 20 Councillor, Mutoko Center. I'm here with the Monashe Private High School, a look and learn tour, which I've been invited as a councillor. As a councillor in Mutoko, I've got quite a number of projects which I want to initiate so that we promote my ward, Ward 20, which is a metropolitan ward. It's a purely town CBD, that's Ward 20. As a town councillor, I've got quite a number of issues that I want to articulate. First and foremost, the issues of sewer reticulation. You know, we have been awarded a town status, a town board status by His Excellency. So, as a town, we are moving from a rural RDC to a town board. So we need to develop our infrastructure, our sewer. We need to connect all the houses in the CBD to sewer system. We are moving away from the traditional septic system. We are now moving to a sewer system, and we are also developing our roads. We have been experiencing quite a bad road systems, so we want to upgrade our roads. We want to tar them. We want to gravel them. We're also looking at the development of schools. We are emulating the model of Monashe High School. So we want to have many of such schools in Mutoko, in particular in Ward 20. We are also looking at infrastructure. We want buildings that suits the modern town, where we are saying as a town board we are moving to we are moving to a town. So we have got bylaws that we are trying to implement so that we get the town status. So there are quite a number of things that we need to look at. The houses that we have, we want to upgrade our structures, such as the business, shops, industrial, and create employment for our youths. We are trying to implement a communication center, ICT center, where we have our youths, those who are coming from universities, those who are in our communities, so that they have where they can access information. So those are some of the things that we are doing in Mutoko Center in Ward 20. We also need the recreational facilities where we would keep our youths committed to doing something, at least to take them outside, to discourage them from indulging into drug abuse. Previously, we have been having challenges with the flooding in Mutoko Center. So, as the councillor and as a council, we are working towards having drainage system in the CBD, mainly in the CBD. That's where we are having a challenge, where water would flood towards business areas and some areas where we have houses. People will be affected. So we are working on it. It's work in progress. We have started already. There's a drainage which is running from Pick and Pay down to Chikondoma, where it would float to the river. So those are some of the projects that we are doing in the CBD. We are also working on revamping the rank where the buses are coming. We want a modern bus terminus where we are putting a perimeter fence, where we are putting sheds, where we are putting the state-of-the-art toilets, so that we accommodate the people who are traveling, who are passing by, and those who are doing vending. We are also trying to develop vending markets where we would accommodate most of the people in my ward 20. They survive on vending. So that's the main business there. So we are upgrading the vending markets so that everyone will be accommodated in a smart environment, in a good environment. We are also working on schools We only have one school in Ward 20, which is Munashe High School. We want also to have primary schools that would support Munashe High School, and also develop other secondary schools so that we accommodate our children won't move long distance to access education. So we want to have as many schools as possible, and also we have small and medium enterprises, markets, and workplace, like home industries, like light industry, where finished products will be taken to CBD for marketing, but the production will be taking place outside the CBD, so that we maintain the clean environment. We are also working with the EMA, Environment Management, so that we keep our town clean by the EMA will provide the bins and all those gloves and everything, so that the people inside the CBD would take that on the days that are known to be the clean-up days. For example, that day, the end of every month, the start of every Friday of every month, we are working as a team, and I'll be leading the clean-up campaign in each and every month, so that we keep our town clean. We are doing that to inculcate a culture of cleanliness to our people. Our people should always be clean, not only on those Fridays, but continuously they should keep the cleaner environment. That's the environment side. And we are also working with Mutoko Hospital. Recently, as a councillor, I provided the solar lighting system in all the 5 wards of Mutoko Hospital. So when there's no electricity, they have got lighting in all the wards. I provided those solar system and the gadgets. Our wards have got continuous supply of electricity, regardless of shortage of power we are facing these days. So those are some of the areas we are working. I'm also, as a councillor of Ward 20, partnering the diaspora. I've got friends outside the country who are coming in. Those who are from Togo, they are providing us with equipment, those things that we don't have here in Zimbabwe. Recently, we had one of our partners who provided heart scan machines at Mutoko Hospital as a donation. So we are saying the diaspora remittance is working in my ward in a big way, which is improving the life of the people of Mutoko. So we are continuously engaging the diaspora so that they can help us as a ward. Those are some of the initiatives that we are doing. We have got those who are not employed. Some of them have been surviving on illegal means, such as brick molding, selling of firewood, and selling of granite stones. We are saying now that we are in a town, we should have small companies which produce bricks. Those who have been doing brick molding, they should form associations where we would source machines which will produce cement bricks, so that they will continue providing their families, they will continue getting an income through those projects.